I generally believe that the youth, especially, are very anxious about the climate and what that means. I mean, they see all this stuff on TV, on the news. You know, climate change has been such an issue over the last couple of years. Are you guys concerned with climate change?
Yes, because I don't want to have natural disasters. I don't want to die from that.
I'm here today to try and get some turnout for the People's Climate March. It's really important for us to do it. I mean, maybe not as much for us, but especially for our children. It looks like we're just, we're destroying the earth, and we only have one. So we got to take care of Mother Earth.
No, this is great.
So you don't feel that the elected officials do enough in terms of reacting to climate change?
Oh, no, not at all. No, we have to move to cleaner fuels, to reducing emissions, to green jobs. And I see the current president and the Congress going in the opposite direction.
Come to the boardwalk this Saturday
A bunch of them
in Staten Island.
Well, I think these days everything relates to each other because we're all together, and if we don't all stick together and fight for each other.
Come to the boardwalk this Saturday in Staten Island.